Hi, my name is Oscar and I help people raise their vibration and share their gift with the world. Exactly that was what I used to say. Now, I would like to rephrase this. My name is Oscar, and by being as authentic as I possibly can, I'm inspiring others to just be themselves in whatever that means. And that is exactly what this channel is about. It's about your authentic expression. It's about who you are at your core. It's about the wisdom that you possess, but the wisdom that you also will understand is universal. That common truth as we as a humanity is sharing, that is what will be expressed in this channel. And it will be there where you are right now in your life, with whatever you need. And lately, for me, this has come for my exploration into religion and what that means, but in a very, very humble context, in the context of love, in the context of understanding, in the deeper truth that unites us at our core. That is what I live for. That is what I breathe and eat and talk about all the time. And that is what I want to share with you. And I want to do it with philosophy, psychology. I want to do it with maybe meditations, with short voice clips, with speaking my utter presence into your ears and being here in front of you and telling you maybe my shame, my guilt, my sadness, my depression, my utter pain that I'm struggling with. So you can relate, so you can feel that you're not alone. And in this, I want to bring my understanding of what is going on here, my understanding what is occurring in the world, and my understanding of what we're needing and what we're longing for, what we're thirsting for, so we can be seen just where we are, without any labels, as humanity, as one whole humanity. So welcome, absolutely welcome to this channel.